Hi. Now, can you sing me a song?
About the
You get the hiccups. Now, okay, sing row, row, row.
No. Row, row, boat.
Sing row, row, row.
Row, row, boat. That's it. I got the hiccups.
Yep, keep going. You can't sing because you're too distracted by your hiccups. Okay, sing Twinkle, Twinkle.
Twinkle.
Okay, keep going.
Me.
Yeah. Keep going. Keep going. You're so funny. Keep going.
Me.
I know. Can you sing? Can you sing? What's that spider song? The Itsy Bitsy Spider?
I want to make a
Okay. Sing!
Big go feet. Big go feet.
You're so funny.
Big.
You can't sing, you got the hiccups. I love you, Natalie.
I love you. I got hiccups. I'm not a hiccup.
You got hiccups?
Yeah.
I'm sorry, baby. Look at me. Smile. You're so pretty.
The mouth.
Are you hiccuping again? No more hiccups.
Yes, hiccup. Yes.
You're so silly.
Yeah.
Okay, that was a burp. You love mommy?
No. Let me see.
Honey, you can't see if I'm looking at you.
Play my microphone.
It's behind you, silly.